Gonna be making sweet tea concentrate and canning it. Welcome back to our channel, guys and gals. Before we get started on the sweet tea concentrate, I just wanted to, before I prop you up, I wanted to show you the plum jelly, or jam, sorry, the plum jam I made last night. So pretty. Look at it. Really, really pretty. It's got a cool. Alright, to the sweet tea concentrate. In here, what I'm planning to do is make 4 quart-size jars. Don't laugh, but I am using old moonshine jars that I cannot peel any kind of label off of. I can't get like it to come off, and besides it's decorative, so I'm leaving it on there. That's what we're using today, except for one jar. That is a water bath jar I am using. But to get started, what I'm using is, since I'm going to do 4 quart-size jars, and I use 8 tea bags to a gallon, and we're doing a gallon to a quart-size jar, we're going to do 32 tea bags, so 8 times 4. And then to make life easier, I'm going to take one of these quart-size or quart jars to measure our water to under that lip. We're going to do that 4 times. Pretty smart, huh? Instead of just trying to do all that math. You know, canning is a science. But sometimes it doesn't have to be difficult. And then, if you just want iced tea, that's where you'll stop. Once you get this to steep for about 15 minutes. Alright, now we got the tea, it's steeped. We got the tea bags out. This is where, if you're making iced tea, you're done. You can go ahead and jar it up, and you can it for 20 minutes. Water bath can. Once you got a steady stream of steam, you'd in a rolling bowl, you'd can it up for 20 minutes. But this, if you're going to do a sweet tea concentrate, this is where we're doing the sweet tea. So we're going to do the sugar. And if you want to add lemon, you also add lemon juice. So we're going to do both. So you add up to from 4 to 8 cups of sugar. And yes, I know that's a lot of sugar, but you're making a sweet tea concentrate. And then you add lemon juice. It's kind of close right there. For this, we'll be adding 3½ tablespoons if you like lemon sweet tea. If you don't add this. And there's that. And my jars have been in the canner and sanitized, warmed up, because this is hot or warm, so you don't want to have cold jars. So now we've got to stir, 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 and make sure the sugar gets dissolved really good. And you just keep on stirring. This will take a little bit. Alright, it's time to can. The sugar is dissolved. Hot jars, hot liquid. Very sticky liquid. This is a concentrate. So you're gonna, when you get ready to put this in your gallon pitcher, jug, or whatever, you're gonna fill it 3 to 4 parts water, cold water, to this quart jar. Empty this jar and fill it the rest way with water, or 3 parts water, depending on how strong you like it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Don't have to heat up your kitchen on a hot day. You can make these in the winter time, have them in the summertime, or make a batch in the summer one day, and don't have to heat your kitchen in the rest of the summer. Or if you know that you're going to have a procedure done, your honey likes sweet tea, you go ahead and make a batch. That way he gets ready. All he's got to do is pour this in the pitcher and fill it up with water and stir, and he's got his sweet tea. Just easy peasy. Lemony squeezy. And there's one right there. You don't even have to use Pokey Joe. You fill it up to the bottom right here and you're good to go. In fact, I'll put this right down here. I don't want the vinegar taste in here, but be really careful because this is sticky. It will cause it to get sticky if you're not careful on the lip of the jar. So wipe it down really good. You can use vinegar. I just prefer not to have that in my tea. Look at these. I put my lids in warm water. Yeah, they were kind of really warm. Then put a ring on it, finger grip tight, like that. Don't crank down on it. And we'll put it in the canner. That's how easy it is. I'm going to fill the rest of these jars up. And then we'll bring the canner, the water bath canner, up to a rolling boil. And then we'll start these quart jars for 20 minutes of water bath canning, and then we'll we'll turn the burner off after 20 minutes. Open up the lid, or take the lid off, and set the timer for 5 minutes to let it cool down in the canner before we'll take them out. And the sweet tea concentrate is all done. I got 10 jars. The last of them are waiting to seal.